Welcome back to part 3. So we just got the food. I think they killed this stego. Yeah, it's right up there. Carno pack, bro. Unstoppable. And they killed that guy. Nice. Bro, I'm still super small compared to this guy. He's adult, and I'm not even close. I'm not even sub-adult yet. I'm 35% away. Fine. I think either when I die or I get to adult, that's when we'll end the whole series. The reason I have it broken up into parts is because I haven't learned to edit yet. I don't know how to edit, so that's why it's broken up into parts, and it'd be hard to post a 30-minute long video, so that's why it's broken up into parts. And plus, not to waste your time, so you can wait a minute in between watching each part. I wonder if this guy looked anything like the real Carnotaurus when it was alive. I feel like I could PvP that adult one and win. Or any of them, so don't fight. Let's get around it. Come on. Stop running. Stop running. Bro, oh, he hit him. Uh-oh. Hit him. I mean hit. Bro. He's right here. Who is this? Should I kill him? Should I kill him? I want to kill him really bad. I want to. You know how bad I want to kill him? No, I didn't mean to kill him. No, I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. No, I didn't think that would actually kill him. I misclicked. Hey, I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. Stop. No, I'm sorry. Please, no kill. I'm sorry. Bro, I didn't mean to. Just re-nest him. It's not my fault. Re-nest him, please. I'm sorry. No. I didn't mean to. Bro, no, I didn't mean to. I will kill him too if he kills me. I will respawn. I didn't mean to. Now leave me alone. I didn't mean to. Alright, once I heal up, I'm gonna run to F4. Make it interesting. I didn't mean to. Oh, I'm sorry. They're all surrounding me, bro. I didn't mean to. Now let me heal. I'm going to F4. Alright, I'm running to F4. Peace out. I'm running to F4. Maybe they'll follow him. I wonder when the map update will come out. If anyone knows when that is, then just, or if they work for the thing, then just hurry up and make it. Make the map update. Bro, they're not as fast as me. I'm Usain Bolt compared to them. Ooh. Easy kill right here. Easy food. Don't run. Running will just make it longer and harder for me. Running will just make it longer and harder for me and you both. This hurts me more than it hurts you. Come here. Boom. No! Stop it! Where'd it go? Come here. I'm hunting you down. Stop! Let me kill it! I just like killing. Killing's my hobby. I got it. I hit it. It's an it now. Boom! I'm him. I am him. Okay, no. Get killed. Get killed. I'm a better PvPer than you. Get killed. Get killed. 11 minutes, bro. The time is crazy. Alright, I'm gonna heal up all the way. Then we're going to F4, the most dangerous spot on the map. I wonder the updates, if it'll be just the map or if they're gonna come out. Like everyone said the new update with the map would come out with the Anki, but that obviously did not happen whatsoever. It was obviously just some kid made that up and decided, yep, that's true. Alright, that's gonna be the end of this part.